Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is ILHAM binti NORDIN. Matric number 1171514. I'm from Faculty of Qurani and Sunnah Studies with honor. Today, I will present about my industrial training at Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. Firstly, introduction of organization. Name of organization Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. Address dalam Masjid Kompleks Pentadbiran Kerajaan Negeri Pahang 25000 Kuantan, Pahang. Telefon nombor 0951267770. Status of organization government. Next, Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan was a branch under Jabatan Agama Islam Pahang, JAIP. It is located in Kuantan, Pahang. As for Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan, this organization have divided into 8 main division, which are firstly management services, secondly preaching, thirdly Islamic family law, and fourthly education. Besides that, halal management, enforcement, research, and the last one, management of mosques and surau. Next, industry supervisor information. Name Tuan Izzuddin bin Datuk Haji Abdul Muttalib. Position Pegawai Hal Ehwal Islam Grade S41 Islamic Affairs Officer and Timbalan Qadi Assistant Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. This is organization chart of Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. Firstly, Qadi Daerah Tuan Muhammad Rizal bin Muhammad Ali Nafiah. Under Qadi Daerah, there are 6 main division, which are management services, financial, education, Islamic family law, management mosques and surau or preaching, and the last one, enforcement. For the management services is under Puan Zaiha binti Harisa. For the financial is under Puan Nur Nabiha binti Zakaria. For education is under Encik Asrul Effendi bin Hamid. For the Islamic family law is under Timbalan Qadi Tuan Izzuddin bin Datuk Haji Abdul Muttalib. For the management mosques and surau or preaching, there are 2 person that manage this division, which the first one Imam Besar Encik Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Suhaili, and the second one is Encik Said Amir Said Mahzir. And for the last division, which is enforcement, is under Encik Sharafuddin bin Zainal Arifin. Vision and mission of organization. Vision to be the best Islamic religious affairs management institution for prosperity ummah by 2021. Mission to produce a faithful and pious ummah through quality management based on the Quran and Sunnah. Objective of organization. The first one, to give birth to a civil society that makes Islam a way of life perfect, as well as understand and appreciate the teachings of Islam contained in the Quran and Sunnah. Secondly, uphold justice according to Islamic laws. Thirdly, preserve the sanctity of Islam, its adherents and religious institution from threats, misappropriation and aggression. Besides that, improving the quality of knowledge, skills and appreciation of Islam systematic, efficient and effective. And the last one, stimulate physical and spiritual development in creating skilled, aggressive and proactive individuals, families and ummah. Description of tasks and activities. Firstly, On the first week, I registered at the Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan as industry training student. Secondly, I was assigned to work at the main lobby and pick up phone calls from customers. Thirdly, I also need to serve the customers that came to Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. The customers usually came to Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan on various matters such as to send the marriage permission form application, to register marriage, divorce and reconciliation and so on. Fourthly, I was assigned to photocopy the important documents such as intensive form of marriage, draft of polygamy without permission and draft abroad marriage. Next, I was assigned to work at outside counter. I need to check the customer's marriage permission application form to make sure it is complete before send it to the staff. And for the last one, I was assigned for a task to call the committee members of mosque and surau in the Kuantan area. The next one is challenges. Firstly, lacking skill in communication. Secondly, had low confidence. Thirdly, require a lot of patience when dealing with customers. Suggestion. The first one, each organization needs to help the practical students in dealing with the customers. It is because the practical student had not many information and they need the experience and expert staff to explain about the procedure of marriage, divorce, reconciliation and so on. Each organization needs to conduct and give the proper instruction so that the practical students can understand more about the task given. As a student, they have to be well prepared and filled with a lot of knowledge and skills about computers and technology, such as mastering skill in Microsoft Word, Excel and others. Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, these 16 weeks of industrial training is able to let the students to understand and experience what real working life is, and also to build up the interpersonal skill. This industry training has provided many benefits to me, includes all of the knowledge, experience and skills acquired during industrial training, which can be used when venturing into the field of career and also actual of work. Last but not least, huge appreciation and thank you to Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan for giving me the opportunities to gain experience. I will never forget all the enjoyable memories and this precious moment. For the appendix, I have put a picture on the slide. For the first picture, I was on duty at the main lobby and pick up phone calls from customers. The second picture, I was on duty at the outside counter and I was write an official receipt for pre-wedding course. The third picture is I was write an IP number and divorce registration number on the file. The fourth picture, photo session with Tuan Kadi, Tuan Muhammad Rizal, Muhammad Ali Nafia. The next one, photo session with the industry supervisor, Tuan Izzuddin bin Datuk Haji Abdul Muttalib. And for the last picture, is photo session with the practical student that practical at Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.